Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel.
Special guest.
Special guest, we do have a special guest. Cute little lamb, I want to say it is.
Feral lamb.
Lamb, sheep, anywho. We picked it up at the store today. She loved it, and what does it do?
You click this and it says a prayer.
Click it.
Now I lay me down to sleep. I praise the Lord my soul to keep. Your love be with me through the night and wake me with the morning light. Amen.
All right, so.
We're going to be opening Pokemon.
Yes, we are going to open some XY packs. We're each going to do 2 Break Point and 2 Steam Siege. So, sorry that the camera's a little wiggly, but you think you're going to pull the best cards?
Yeah, because we always do.
Because we always do. All right. Well, everybody, enjoy. Thank you all for coming. Enjoy. All right, so Scarlett is going to open up these 4. I will be opening up these 4. So, wish us luck. Okay. Scarlett, do you want to open one first? Okay. Which one are you going to start with? Okay. Do you want help? There you go. Good job. All right. Good job. It's 3 on these ones, not 4. Yeah. Good job.
Have I opened one of these before?
Yeah. We did the other day. Rapidash.
We got back from
Ninja Boy. Launcher. Fletchling. Seedot. Drifloon. Hey, Meryl. Cute little Pokemon. Bergmite and King Clang. That's holographic, honey.
Yeah.
Good job. That's awesome. Okay. I really like Meryl. Meryl is a super cute Pokemon.
Yeah.
To be totally honest.
Pokemon.
All right.
What is it? What kind of animal is that?
It's like a
Awesome.
a water swimming rat thingy. A water swimmer. I'm not
Sure.
not 100% sure, to be totally honest with you. Flaffy, Armor Fossil Shieldon, Klefki. Oh, that's cool.
It's a key.
Fletchling, Hoppip, Sneasel, Mantine, Mankey.
Cool.
Hey, Toxicroak. That's really cool.
And go.
And a Samurott.
That's cool.
Non-holographic. That's a really cool Toxicroak.
Okay.
Awesome.
What's on next? We opened the pack from the pack, so we're not gonna take too long.
Yeah, these ones were in the plastic blisters. All right. Good job.
1, 2, 3.
Yep. Yeah, because these are a little bit older. Ape. What is that?
Monkey.
Here, hold it. Hold it with this hand. And then reach around. There you go. And then just pull to the side. Like pull from the top.
Oh.
Nidorino. There you go. Zweilous. Sneasel. Hoppip. Fletchling. Clauncher. Nidoran. Ambipom, that's really cool. Hey, Shiftry, that's interesting. He's a dark and a leaf. That's really, really cool. All right. Holographic. Cool. I think you're in the lead, Scarlett. You've gotten double hitters on each of them. So.
You're in the lead.
Okay. No, I'm not in the lead, honey. All right. I'm pretty sure I'm not in the lead. I think you were. I think you're killing it, honey. Always want to do 4. Zuelas, Shieldon, Steelix, Spirit Link, Nidoran, Conjure, Fletchling, Hoppip, Sneasel, Nidoran, and a Jumpluff. Alright.
Now break point. Break.
Yes, now we will break into the break point.
What?
Nothing, I was just making a dad joke. Not so funny, but that's okay. I enjoyed it. I really like my new mat. If it's too much, let me know in the comments. If it's not enough, let me know and I'll get a more intense one. Just kidding.
Okay. 3?
Yes, this one is also 3. Awesome. Good job. It's 3. You got it. Right there. Good job. All right. Ready, Freddy? All night party. Gabite.
Cool.
Or Gabite. Nuzleaf.
Figure.
Ducklet.
What is the front of this?
Shinx. Nummel. Blitzel. Staryu. A Nuzleaf. Hey.
Yay.
Heck yeah. Look at that.
No, I'm definitely in the lead.
Full art scissor. EX. Man,
What does the front of his
that is beautiful.
thing look a butt, like in the front?
I don't know, honey. That's just how the art of it is.
I like the little mat.
You like the mat? Keeps our cards safe, huh? Man, you're killing it, Scarlett. Alright, let's see if I finally got something. Misty's Determination, Professor Sycamore, Gyarados Spirit Link, Timbold, Spritzy, Skrelp, Honedge, Ducklet, a Garchomp, that's really, really cool, and a Drapion non-holographic. All right, well, I think you're still winning there, Scarlett. So,
Okay.
one more pack. And we are done with this one.
We're tired.
Yeah, pretty tired. Her mommy and my wife got into town today, so she was away for 2 weeks. So it's good
We
to see
went to
her.
the Cheesecake Factory.
Yes, we went to a place called Cheesecake Factory. It was delicious. Hypno, Scissor, Perugly, or however you say that.
It looks like
Slowbro.
one of those fancy cats.
Yeah. Chikorita, Corsola, Furfro, Ferroseed, Trubbish, Clefable. Oh, I think you did 4 to the front. That's okay. Yeah. All right. Reverse rare. It's good.
Yay!
Pretty sure you won this if it were a battle. So let's see what I got.
Is it a battle?
Yeah, I mean, there's no prize, but we could do it. Or we could say it's a battle and you win like always, so. You know? There's the code. Ooh, I almost screwed that one up. Wait. Right.
You're paused. Just kidding.
You're a little stinker. Pokemon catcher. Durant. Electivire. Electabuzz. That's cool. Pharisee. Froakie. Corsola. Drowsy. A Phantump. And a Slowking holographic. Awesome. It's the evolved version of Slowpoke. So 22. There we go. Well, Scarlett, I think.
I win.
Yes, I think you have the winning card here. It is quite a gorgeous card. All right, well, thank you all for watching. We had a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, let us know how we did. Let us know if there's something you'd like to see more of.
We're gonna giving away your stuff soon.
Apparently we're giving stuff away soon. I'm just kidding. Yeah, we will be doing a giveaway in the near future. As soon as I figure out exactly what and how I'm going to do it, or how we're going to do it, I will post a video. So, is there anything else you have to say, honey?
Have a good night.
Have a good night. All right. Thank you all so. Huh?
What if you watch this on the day? Have a good day.
Absolutely. So, depending on where you are in the world, have a wonderful night, a great morning, great day, great evening, afternoon. Thank you all so much for joining us.
We had a great day.
We had a great day. It was a fantastic day. So, thank you all so much. Y'all have a wonderful night. Bye-bye.